Amplitude modulation and demodulation trainer kit. On this board we could see the amplitude modulator circuit, and the amplitude demodulator circuit. The frequency selector switch has been given for 2 kHz, 200 Hz and 20 Hz. Then the frequency adjust and an amplitude adjust knob has been provided. This is basically the sine wave generator, which would be acting as the modulation input to the AM modulator circuit. A separate carrier generator has been provided on board. Here the output of the carrier is given to the carrier input to the modulator block circuit. You could adjust the amplitude of carrier generator. The basic circuit is over here. The sine wave generator, the carrier generator block, the AM modulation block, the AM demodulator block and the power supply block. Now let's observe the amplitude modulation wave. Now here we have selected the 2 kHz frequency, and you could see the switch is in on position where 2 kHz has been selected. The sine wave generator 2 kHz frequency is given to the modulating input, and from the carrier generator the output has been given to the carrier input of the modulator block. Now first let's see the modulating signal. Switch on the kit. The power LED glow indicates the turn on mode of the kit. Now since we have seen the frequency is 2 kHz, on the CRO we could see that's almost 2.45 blocks into 0.2, that which makes it to approx 0.5 milliseconds, which is approx 2 kHz. Now when we check the amplitude modulator signal, put the CRO socket in AM output switch. Now here you could observe the AM signal. On the CRO. Now here you could see the difference, the change in the amplitude. The signal seen is the amplitude envelope. This envelope carries the modulation signal, and the carrier waves are used to transmit the modulation signal. To check the demodulated output, connect the AM output to the AM input block of AM demodulator circuit and observe the output of AM demodulated output on the CRO. You could see the modulating signal of 2 kHz on the CRO. Thus, the modulated signal has been recovered back at the demodulated output. Thus, we have studied the amplitude modulation and demodulation using the amplitude modulation and demodulation trainer kit.